A recent study from the Poneman Institute states the average identity theft breach can cost a company $13 million. And for 17 years in a row, the Federal Trade Commission says identity theft is the #1 consumer complaint. As a result, we have new legislation being imposed on a state and national level. And now that the internet, email, social media, and artificial intelligence have all become mainstream, people tend to develop a casual approach to data security. They lose their sense of responsibility. They don't think it'll happen to them. I find companies spend an incredible amount of money and resources on firewalls, software, and IT departments. Yet these same companies miss the mark when it comes to training their frontline employees. And after all, they are the first line of defense. My name is Frank Mulcahy. I'm a professional keynote speaker, and I focus on behavioral and technology trends to help companies increase efficiency and profitability, and to help them avoid the devastating impact of data breaches and identity theft. To me, the ultimate measure of success of a speaker is relevance and engagement. The more relevant my content is, the more my message will resonate with the attendees. I believe that meeting planners want knowledge, vibrant interaction, and buzz. They want their attendees to be inspired with fresh insights and ideas. I always challenge the attendees to question the status quo. I want them to think differently. I want them to become vigilant and to embrace meaningful change. That's the value of an outside speaker. Getting people to think differently, to challenge basic assumptions, and to become vigilant of potential new risk. A casual approach to cybersecurity can often stifle creativity, growth, productivity, and profits. And it can also cause great harm to staff members, customers, and the corporation. An effective speaker can be the catalyst for strategic thinking, disruptive innovation, and changes in behavior. That's what I do. That's what I'm passionate about. My primary message helps individuals and companies realize we can defeat identity theft and data breaches, and together we can deter, detect, and defend against these threats.